Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best lawn pH tester is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial tools for achieving that vibrant, healthy lawn you've always dreamed of, as understanding your soil's pH level is fundamental to ensuring your grass can properly absorb essential nutrients, preventing issues like yellowing, stunted growth, and even weed proliferation, ultimately saving you time and money on ineffective treatments. Number 5. SONKIR MS023-in-1 Soil Tester. Do your plants struggle to thrive? Understanding their environment is key to vibrant growth. This innovative tool simplifies plant care for every gardener. It easily tests three crucial factors: soil moisture, pH value, and sunlight levels. With just one device, you gain comprehensive insights into your plant's needs. Forget about power sources, this tester requires no batteries. Simply insert it into the soil, wait a few minutes, and accurate results appear on its clear display. Crafted with sturdy materials and upgraded technology, it is built for long-term, consistent performance. Its scientific design ensures reliable readings every time you use it. Whether for your house garden, farm, lawn, or indoor plants, this portable kit is perfect. It's an ideal solution for any soil and plant analysis, both indoors and outdoors. For best results, water very dry soil before testing. Please remember, this device is designed exclusively for soil and should not be used to test the pH of any liquids. What we like. This meter offers a convenient 3-in-1 solution for essential plant care. If you are looking for a simple, battery-free tool to check moisture, light, and pH, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for casual gardeners who need quick, reliable readings without extra hassle. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Number 4. Rapitest Soil Test Kit. Discover the secret to a thriving garden with this essential tool. It's designed and assembled in the USA to quickly and accurately analyze your soil's health. Get fast, at-home results for crucial soil parameters. This kit measures pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash, giving you a complete picture. Experience an innovative and inexpensive way to test your soil. It features an easy-to-use capsule system and patented color comparators for reliable readings. You'll have everything needed for 40 comprehensive tests. This includes 10 tests each for pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash, ensuring long-term use. Detailed, simple instructions are included, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. It helps everyone achieve their best garden. To further assist your gardening journey, it comes with a soil pH preference list. This valuable guide covers over 450 different plants. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides detailed results for pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash. If you need in-depth nutrient analysis beyond just pH, this system is ideal. It's perfect for serious gardeners who want to precisely optimize their soil composition. What people say. Number 3. 4-in-1 Soil Tester. This versatile tool offers a complete health check for your plants. It monitors moisture, pH, nutrients, and light levels all in one device. Get a full picture of their needs with ease. No more bending or squatting to check your readings. Its unique 90-degree rotating dial adjusts to any angle, protecting your back. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, especially for seniors. Accurately detect soil moisture deep down to prevent common watering mistakes. You'll never have to guess again, ensuring your plants stay healthy and free from root rot. It's perfect for beginners. Unlike traditional designs, its finely crafted single probe minimizes damage to plant roots. This gentle approach is ideal for sensitive plants and seedlings, promoting healthier growth. Get precise readings in just seconds after insertion. Its highly sensitive sensor ensures quick checkups, so you can spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your garden. The reinforced probe structure ensures durability, resisting rust and breakage. Maintaining it is simple, just a quick wipe keeps it in top shape for long-term use. This convenient device requires no batteries to operate. Simply insert it into the soil and get instant insights into your plant's health. It's always ready when you are. What we like. This versatile tester features a unique 90 degrees rotating dial for comfortable reading. If you have back issues or prefer ergonomic tools, this design is a game changer. Its single probe also gently protects delicate plant roots during testing. What people say. Number 2. Garden Tutor Soil pH Test Kit. Engineered for soil pH, this kit delivers fast, accurate results in just 60 seconds. Its third-generation, 3-pad design ensures consistent and repeatable readings for all your gardening needs. Enhance your testing with its web-based AI reader, requiring no app downloads or signups. Just snap a photo of the strip, upload it, and receive instant, precise digital pH results. Created by an American brand founded by gardeners, it understands your needs. Its design focuses on simplicity, accuracy, and solving real gardening challenges. This complete solution includes 100 strips, a full-color handbook, an AI reader template, and an online application estimator. It provides everything you need to easily adjust your garden soil's pH. Proper soil pH is crucial for unlocking nutrients and making them available to your plants. Without it, your plants won't thrive, whether the soil is too acidic or too alkaline. Trusted by over 100,000 gardeners and with thousands of positive reviews, it has helped countless users optimize their soil nutrients. This leads to better plant growth nationwide. What we like. This kit stands out with its 100 professional-grade pH test strips and innovative AI-powered web reader. If you value digital precision and want to track your soil pH over time, this offers advanced analysis. It's great for tech-savvy gardeners seeking consistent, repeatable results. What people say. Number 1. Upgraded 4-in-1 soil tester for plants. Struggling to keep your plants healthy? This innovative device is your ultimate gardening companion, designed to help you understand and meet your plant's specific needs. It's a comprehensive 4-in-1 soil tester. This tool accurately senses moisture, light, nutrient levels, and pH, providing a complete picture of your soil's health. With its patented 90-degree rotating head, reading results is comfortable and easy. Simply switch to your desired test, insert the probe, and get instant results without bending down. Its upgraded single probe is gentle on roots, yet durable enough for any soil condition. This helps you apply the right water, fertilizer, and light, ensuring lush growth and bountiful harvests. Forget about batteries. This device requires no external power, making it incredibly easy to store and carry. It's perfect for all your indoor and outdoor plants. Whether for indoor pots, lawns, or farming, it's suitable for all your gardening needs. It also makes a thoughtful gift for any plant enthusiast, and even includes a free plant guide. To ensure it continues to function perfectly, remember to polish the probe regularly with sandpaper. This simple step will keep it accurate for years to come. What we like. This upgraded 4-in-1 meter combines essential readings with enhanced durability. If you need a robust, long-lasting tool for comprehensive plant care, its improved probe is designed for resilience. The rotating head also ensures comfortable readings in any garden setting. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.